Numbers in Python. In Python, we often work with numbers, whether it's for calculations, data analysis, game development, or AI programming. Python provides us with three numeric data types: integer, float, and complex. Today, we'll look at integer and float as those are the most commonly used. Let's start with integers, commonly referred to as int. An integer is a whole number that is positive, negative, or zero. For example, in this code, we declare a variable x and assign it the integer value 10. The type function tells us x is indeed an integer. Next, we have floating point numbers, or float. These are numbers that contain a decimal point. Here, y is a floating point number. If you're dealing with measurements, financial calculations, or any precise numeric value, floats are most appropriate. When dealing with variables, Python performs automatic type conversion. Here we add x, an integer, and y, a float. Python converts the integer to a float during this operation, and the resulting variable is a float. An integer's size in Python is only limited by available memory. Unlike many other languages that impose a maximum size on integers, Python allows for incredibly large numbers, making it useful for applications like cryptography. Python's numeric data types allow us to work with numbers in versatile ways. Understanding these is crucial as you dive deeper into Python. Next, explore Python's operators to see how these data types interact with each other during mathematical operations.